1.4 billion is undergoing rapid urbanization. And for your information, Telangana is the second largest urbanized state in the country after Maharashtra. So we have a lot of heat construction related impact here. So as you know, the cities are getting hotter. So there are three reasons for these cities getting hotter. One is urban heat island effect, which we will discuss later on. Then second is about global warming, which is at the global level, the rise in temperatures, which is attributed to the greenhouse effect. And third is the climate change, which is also relating to a lot of extreme events like heavy rainfalls and heavy heat waves, which are occurring across the globe. So these are the three reasons for which we can say that the cities are getting hotter. As per the World Bank report, India could soon experience heat waves that break human survivability limit. So it's going to affect across the population, especially in the tropical region. So coming to the Telangana state, as I said, Telangana is located in a tropical area where is a Deccan Plateau. So where you have, because of the topographical and the geographical location, it is prone for heat waves, especially during summer. So that's going to be that's where the cool roof policy has become much more important for us than compared to the many of other states. So if you see the statistics point of view from the mortalities due to heat waves, this is a graphical description across the country. The deaths happened due to heat waves. So as you again see, the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Odisha. These are the few states where so a lot of deaths are happening due to the heat waves. So I think these states where we have where the summer, the temperature goes up to 40 to 43 degrees and heat waves happens there. So what is its impact of this urban heat island in the overall scenario? As you see, the most of the cities, when you cities grow up, so you do a lot of concrete structures. So both in terms of buildings and also recently the even road infrastructure also, we are trying to do the cement roads and the other covering up the entire ground surface. So this lead to the lot of these concretized structures, dark surfaces, asphalt roads, and also the building glass buildings, then air conditioning exhausts. So these are all combinedly add to the urban heat island where the temperatures are comparatively much higher than as compared to the nearby rural areas, if you compare it. According to study, the urban heat island warming will probably equivalent to the half of the warming caused by the climate change. That means by the year 2050, we are expecting that our temperatures will rise by 2 degrees. So out of these 2 degrees, 1 degree will be due to the urban heat island effect, and other two due to the climate change and the greenhouse effects. So this is also a study conducted for Visakhapatnam in India, revealed that in the near thickly built up area, so the temperatures are almost 2 to 4 degrees more than the areas as compared to the low density areas. So this is again, as per the World Bank report, some statistics. So 200 million people will be exposed to heat waves by 2030, and 34 million people will lose jobs due to productivity loss by 2030. So this is going to be affect mostly the elderly people. So thereby their effect of working also will affect, and thereby their livelihood also is going to be affected by this. So as I said, the vulnerability groups will be infants and children, elderly people, people with health conditions, and most importantly, the urban poor are going to be severely affected by these heat waves. So again, the challenges which we have due to this urban heat island effects is that since we have temperatures are on rise, so we use more AC, so it leads to the more energy consumption. Thereby the burden on the existing energy sectors will be very high. As said earlier, heat-related illness and mortality is also one of the major problem and challenge, and the reduced air